ఏమైంది స్ట్రీమ్ ఏమి వస్తలేదు బ్రో? ఒకసారి స్ట్రీమ్ ఆన్ చేయి, వస్తుందా? నాకు ఎందుకు బ్లాక్ వస్తుంది చూడు. ఓకే, ఎస్. అబ్బా. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Grow Together HQ. Today we are going to solve another binary search tree question. Is Recursive binary search tree. Here this question says that exactly two nodes of the tree is swapped. So we have to swap them by changing without changing its structure. I mean we have no need to return any binary tree or anything. Just we have to change the structure. I mean the nodes values where the values are swapped. I mean here 3 should be on right side, but it is at left side. A question using of and space pretty straightforward. Could you devise a constant space solution saying, okay, we'll try. If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe, but no one watching, so no problem. Okay, I'm going to pin this question here. But why I don't get the subscribers more? Okay, आज का डेट क्या है? आज का डेट 17 है. 17 में हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? 16, 15, 15, 16, 17. 17. We call 17. Okay, the question is recovery stream. Okay, let's try to do it. Recover BST. I hope everyone understand the question. Understood, not stand. Understood the question. I will take another example instead of this. I'll take this one and we'll try to solve it. Okay, I hope everyone able to see the question and I will explain it now. It is a tree we are going to get in our input. Okay, here it is not a BST. We have to convert this into BST. We have to convert this into BST. Here only two nodes are interchanged, means here the place should be 2 here and the 3 should be here. Only 2 will be interchanged. We have to find these two elements. What are the two elements, and we have to interchange them without changing the structure and without returning any binary anything. We have to return void. I hope you know what is returning of void means, and it will take care of the printing the statement by the question itself. Okay, Satara bro, can you show your progress in driver sheet? Oh, driver sheet. Okay, I will try. I will show you. I am currently at here binary search trees. Little progress. Some are left. I will do it again. I'll try to do it again driver sheet because I'll get concept little more understandable. Here I am going to get only the glimpse of the all concept, not every concept at a high level. I will get only glimpse and immediate or beginner level conceptual understanding of every concept, but I need to get it more understandable, right? So I will try to do it again, or we'll try to find any other way to get more deep into the concept or doing few more problems, and I will try to do daily lead code question. Even if I didn't get that, I'll try to solve the solution and I will understand the concept and I will note it down somewhere. I have few ideas. I will try to implement them. If it is successful, I will definitely tell to you. Okay. Let's try to find the solution for this. How can we do it? How can we know whether how to find these two are the major problems here? Okay, how can I find it? Mm, 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 mm. If I go here, it is one. Okay, fine. Now let's see here. Here, one is what we say less than 3 and 4 is greater than 3, fine. And we have to check is 2 is less than 4, yes, fine, but 2 is not less than 3, right? We have to change this 3 to 2, and then I think we can do it. But how can I know the 3 is root right side small element? That is inconsistent. I didn't understand Shravanam Charan, bro. Root right small element. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. At the 3, the 2 should be greater than 3, but here it is smaller. We have to find how can we know this 2 is smaller than 3, because how can I store them? I have to find out, right? Let's Since it has only 1000 L nodes, I think we can do it in O of n square also, because 10 cube into 10 cube will become 10 power 6, but our lead code, I mean competitive coding can run around 10 power 8 operations in a second. So we can do it even if we get n square also, I mean the time complexity, but we'll try to optimize little more. I mean, we'll find it. Means once you send this, we have to replace that. How can I, how will I know 3 should be replaced, not 4, right? How can I know only 3 should be replaced? We have to find that 3 under 2 undi. Yeah, yeah, yeah. అదే అర్థమైంది బ్రో. And I have to know this 3 should be replaced by 2, right? How can I, means we have to swap 3 and 2. How can I know this 3 is the wrong? Because we'll take another example. Let's take 10, 5, 2, 1, 3, 8, 17, and 13, and 10. We'll take 11 here. Okay. Now we'll take here 9. Okay. Not 9. Okay. We'll take here 19, and we will take here uh, 9. Okay. We'll take here 9. Here I have to replace how what to replace here. I think it is I have to replace nothing. I think it's wrong question I took. Uh, it should be 5 here, and it should be not 9. It should be 7 here, right? Okay. Then I will replace these two. 7 will be replaced by 5. Then here I will get 7, and here I will get 5. Okay. I have to replace both. How will I find? We have to replace for this. Suppose for node 1 max is 3. For this, go with sequence and mark down the visited element. If at last you would get unmarked element, place them in the sequence. For 4 is 4, min is 3. For 4, min is 3. Mm, Once again I will try to think, then I will try to understand what you wrote, because without thinking, if I try to understand your problem, I won't get it, because I'm little slow. Okay. Okay, I will go here. It is fine, and I'll go here. Since it is greater than my required answer, let's take like this. I will keep 5 here, I'll keep 7 here, and I will make here 17, and I will make here 7. Okay. I'll 5 here, and I will make here 17. Now I have to change 7 and 17. Okay. mm, how to do it? So 2 is less than min, that is 3, so inconsistent tree. Yes. which which whiteboard are you using? I am using this X. I will write in that exornal plus plus. EXRUXOURNAL plus plus. This is the board I am using for it. I think you can see at the top here after view. Okay. Now here how can we do it? Because at this position my left side should be smaller element, right? But it is larger element. Here I know my value is wrong, and I have to find on the right side, is there any element is lesser than the parent element? No, here it is. So I have to change these two. It will become fine, but instead of changing here, I mean, we'll keep 17 here, and we'll keep here 13, and we'll keep here 7. Okay, now we'll see. When I go right, it is the smaller element, which is greater element, it should be smaller. So I will try to search, is there any other element which is in wrong position? Here 7 is in wrong position. I can go here, 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 then it will be in wrong position. So so we have to interchange these two. Okay, fine, but uh, according to this question, I start here and it is perfect. And now if I see here, here it is, it should be lesser element done, but I have to also check to the upper element as well. How can I know 2 is smaller than 3? Because if I had here around 10, I should know 2 is also smaller, greater than 10, right? How to know that? First you move to one number child node, move forward, it goes to 3, check left and right element. If element is greater, smaller, swap those and move next. What do you want to say? First I have to move one. Is there element? No. And I'll move here. Both are in perfect position. Okay, I move here. Both are in perfect position. uh, I'm first you move to one number child node, move forward, it goes to check 3 left and right element. If element is greater or smaller, swap and then move next. Here the thing is only two nodes are uh, interchange. Only two nodes. We have to keep the structure as same, and we have to change only the two nodes which are swapped. Here only 39 7 are swapped. We have to change only these two. No need of, we don't touch any other element in the tree. This is the constraint, I mean question actually. We have to think in that way as well. Hi bro, welcome to this tree MSNZYT. If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. I think there is a small here. I am missing simple hint, or what we say, simple logic. If I get it, I think I can crack. How can I find this is small? This should be greater than this. How to store that? One thing I can do is I can store all the elements in that. Okay, 1 second. Once I will try to get all the what we say uh, in order of this. We'll try to get in order of this. I mean 1, 3, and we'll get 2, 4. It is not in sorted order. We have to interchange these two. I'll get the exact sorted manner. I mean 3, 2, 3, 4. I will get it. If the same thing, if I done it to these tree, what I will get? Let's just see. In order will give us the sorted order of a binary tree, right? Binary search tree. So we'll try to do it. For this, the in order, I hope in order means left, root, and right. Okay. If I go here, first I'll get 1, and I will get root. I sorry, here I wrote wrong. It should be something. Let's take 6. Okay, now okay, it becomes 5 and it becomes 6. Now it becomes 13 and it becomes 8 and it becomes 10 and it becomes 11 and it becomes 7 and it becomes 17 and it becomes 19. Here, to become a sorted order, we have to interchange the 17 and 7, right? We have to interchange the 17 and 7. Based on that, we can just go to the 13, and we can go to the 17, and just we have to interchange the values of that. Then we can complete our code. What do you say, guys? I think we can do in this way, right? Start from root node, check the number which is greater than the root node. Same thing for right subtree. You will get the two node which is you wanna find. Oh no, phantom bro deleted. Okay. If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. If you hit the like and subscribe button, don't forget to check whether you turn on the bell icon or not. If you turn on, then it's fine. If not, please go and turn it on. I mean, hit the bell icon. I will write. It is bell. Okay. Okay. We'll try to code in this way. We'll try to do it, and we'll check if we get any errors or any logical issues. Then we'll try to solve any other way. Okay, I hope you understand my logic and what I want to do. I want to write in the code. Okay, please help me if I went anything wrong. Just try to go a comment and open your laptops and try to solve it. I have already pinned the link in the chat box, and let's see. I think I need a void in order where I need to store the in order, right? Now, and I need an array list integers as well. Integer, instead of integer, if can I store the tree node? I think it is better idea to store the tree node. I will tell you why I am going to store the tree node. I will take it as array, and if root dot root is equal to null, we have to return, and in order of root dot left comma arr, and arr dot add uh, root, and in order of root dot right comma arr. Okay, now I have to create an array list like tree node arr. Sorry. Eh, I need it. Okay, arr is equal to new array list. Okay, now in order of root comma arr, let's try to print it. I know it will print in the form of what we say, something different values, but I have to know print print ln, not it is should be print ln. Okay, let's try to print it. And what we got, three nodes. Okay, fine. Now we have to find the two different nodes, right? Let's take tree node. Temp1 is equal to null, and tree node temp2 is equal to null. Okay, for int not int, for int I is equal to 0, I should be less than ar dot size here. I hope everyone know the syntax in Java. Okay, and next, how can I know how to find these two are the elements where we are going wrong? How to find it? It should be in sorted order. How can I make it as sorted? I mean, how should I know it? Mm, okay, I will try to do in this way. If array dot get of I dot val is less than is greater than array dot get of I plus 1 dot val. I mean, if I use plus 1, I have to decrease the size here. Okay, well, then if it is it means the first time the value will be greater, the value of I will be greater, right? Here it is greater, then temp1 will be, but here also when I hear. Okay, let's go to the writing board, then we'll try to find how can we do it. Sorry. When I go at here, I am going to check the next element, right? If it is, then if it is great, smaller, not smaller, it will always be greater, right? If it is greater, no, okay. If the next element is smaller than my current element, then I have to make it as temp1. And if my current element is greater than, then if I have to make it as temp2, right? I think it will fine. I think it should work. Let's try to do it. If I get them, well, okay. If our current element is greater than next element, current element is greater than next element, temp1 is equal to arr dot get of I. Other, if arr dot get of I dot val is less than arr dot get of I plus 1 dot val, then temp2 is equal to arr dot get of I. Okay, we'll try to print temp1 dot val plus temp2 dot val. I think it can be a possibility of null as well. Let's see. I think I thought the same. We are going to get null if uh, temp2 is equal to null. We have to make temp2 is equal to temp2 will be fine. Temp1, I think so. Temp1 should be equal to we are going, no, the last one only. Temp2 should be equal to arr dot get of I sorry, temp2 is equal to arr dot get off. I think so. Let's see. Can't find symbol. Then ar dot size minus 1. Hmm. We are going to get 2 and 1, but it should be 3 and 2, right? 2 and 1 ante 3 and 1 it should be. I'm getting 2 here. There might be little problem. Okay. In BST, traverse from the root. If a node in the left subtree is greater node and a node in the right subtree is smaller node, then they are swap nodes. Swap them back to restore the BST. Node in the left subtree is greater than the root node. Okay. Look, what you are going to say is, look here. If you see this question, you said the right, but if you see uh, here is the root. The root children, the left side is smaller element and right side is greater element. Fine. I will go here. It is null, so no need of checking again. When I go to 4, the left side is smaller element and right side is not then no null, so no need of uh, any problem here as well. But the problem is we are going to get this 2 and 3, right? How will I find? I have to check from the starting root node to the end of the uh, leaf node. I have to check in every iteration. So how can I find? How will I know this root value is smaller than my right side leaf node or any other intermediate node? The root value is smaller because it can be a larger number. If there is another 5 here, I have to also check 5 should be uh, less than 2. But here, how can I know how to find that? The problem I'm raising here is that if you get it, we can do it. Phantom bro, I think you understood my problem where I'm going, how where I'm unable to solve it. If you get it, try to do it. I mean, tell me, then we'll try to do it. Here it is 3 and 2, we got it. But thing is here we have to get 3 and 1. Here the output will be 3 2 1. Okay, the output will be 3 2 1. 3 2 1. Okay, 1 should be at this position and 3 should be at this position. Okay. Okay, let me try this. Will it work? I thought it should work. Now I will take int temp is equal to temp1 dot val. Now temp1 dot val is equal to temp2 dot val and temp2 dot val is equal to temp. I think will it work? It should work, yes. Okay, I am only problem with temp1 and temp2. I have to find this temp1 and temp2. We have to find it. Come on guys, if you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. I think we are going in good manner. If you follow daily, you will also be consistent and you will also learn something new. Please be consistent and come daily at 9:30 p.m. I think From next week I am not going to have live for end of this month because I had a project. I think I have to do a certification related to my work. Currently I'm working in Accenture, so I have to do a certification. I have to be consist. I have to be good at that, so I'm not going to do live. I think only I will do it Saturday and Sundays. From the next year we'll start again new, and we can do it. 3 2 1. How to find? Okay, this element is should be less than this, right? This element should be less than it, so we will get it as temp 1. And here there is no other element. This element should be also less than this. If we take this example, this element should be less than this, but it is, yes, it is. If we take this element should be less than 8, but it is not, so we have to take it as temp 1. And here this element should be less than this. Yes, it is right. Here this element should be less than this, but it is wrong, so the problem we will get to temp 2. It should not occur. mm, I am getting another way of idea to solve this, but why to do in order traversal BST must be sorted if previous greater than current any point, those two nodes are swap them back. Yeah, I am doing the same, but thing is to find the node here, this node and this node, how to find that? I think you are getting confused here. I will write the problem. I mean 3 comma 2 comma 1 one thing, and I will copy this instead of writing again. Mm. Okay, now how to find this 13 and 7 are our imposters. These two are our imposters. How to find these imposters? These bloody imposters. How to find them? Okay, how to find these imposters? I have an idea. We can send them into queue as well. I will check from here. I will check every time. When I get wrong answer at one particular time, I will get temp1 is equal to that value, and another time I will make temp2 is equal to that value, and we can do it. But it's take again little more time. I mean not time. We are going to use again O of n. We can. Is there any other way to find this? Otherwise, we'll start from here to here, and we'll check. This number should be smaller than previous and uh, greater than what we say next element. In this way we will try to find it, and if there is, if anything null, if temp2 is null, the one of the imposter will be this or another will be this. We have to find these two. Okay, in this problem the same thing. Here from here to here we are going to find, but here the problem is with these two. If it is greater than the next element, then we are going to do this. If it is okay, we'll do some other way. If a bigger element comes before a small element, those are the swapped imposter nodes, swap them back. if a bigger number comes before a smaller number, bigger element come before a smaller element. This is the smaller element and this is the bigger element. Okay, but here also look, here it is a smaller element and it is a bigger element, right? It is in the sorted order. Here we are going to get sorted order, but here we are not going to get sorted order. This is the problem I'm facing to do in single iteration. Here the problem I'm facing, because here it is not sorted, right? It is in, I mean, there is a height like this, but here it is moving downwards. So from here to here we are going, since it is an sorted order, here to here it is a sorted order. So I'm getting problem at this position, at seventh position. We can do one thing, we can go from here to here one time and here to here another time, so that we can get the both values. Should be always greater than, it should be always smaller. Okay, we'll okay, I will try to do it. If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. I hope you are going to like the stream. Okay. Mm, now I will remove these. I'll take int I is equal to 0 while I is less than array dot size. Okay. Now if array of I mean array dot get of I dot val should be -1. Okay. Array dot get dot uh, if it is 0. Okay, we'll try. Array dot get of I dot value is greater than array dot get of I plus 1 dot val, then I have to make temp1 is equal to array dot get of I. Now if array dot get of array dot size -1 minus I is less than array dot get of array dot size -1 minus 2 minus I dot val, temp2 is equal array dot get of this one. I think I will get an error, index out of range error, definitely. Oh sorry, here I have to use dot val. It's, oh sorry, I had to make increment I plus plus. Why I got 2 again? I value is greater than next value. Okay, I'll take boolean also. Boolean temp1 t1 is equal to true. Boolean t2 is equal to true. And t1 I don't know what I'm doing, just will try it. T1 is equal to false, and the same thing, and T2. I'm making it complex, but okay. We'll try it. Then we'll try to optimize this. Then T2 is equal to false. I need another test case to run it because I will definitely get it. What you say? Case 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to do nothing. One pair is descending order. Yeah, this no. Here it is one element. Why they wrote hashtag? Here is the test code failed. Let's see whether it gonna run for us. It should be null here. Why he gave like this? Null means you have to write null. Control C. More of the story in order traversal solves a lot of problem in your life. Okay, let's run it. We'll see. I think we'll definitely get a wrong answer. Accepted. But it is beats only 2.35%. Worst. Okay, we'll try to remove this and we'll try again. 2ms beats 19.35%. 1ms what they wrote? Most of the people. Oh, ఎవర్రా బాబు ఇట్లా రాసిండు. మెయింటెనెన్స్ లేదు ఏం లేదు. Okay, while traveling the Inorder, they found it. We have to check it. How can we get it? Hi Kovith. Hi bro Swaroop. Welcome to the stream. How many months are you doing? Uh, I think from around September, October, November, and this is December. I'm going very slow pace because I don't want to do any rush and to solve the problems. I want to be consistent, so I'm doing like one or two problem based on the mood. Mostly I'll try to do one. Sometimes I'll try to do two if I am good enough, feeling better. Hi Swarup, welcome to the stream. Here in order if previous is not equal to null and root dot val is less than previous dot val. How? Okay, here we are going to get previous, second, and previous value, first, second, previous. Okay. In order if previous is not equal to null and then root dot val is less than previous dot val, first is equal to null, first vertex sum. Otherwise, we'll make second is equal to null, previous is equal to root a. I'm not getting why we are going to previous is not equal to null. Okay, and root dot val. Come on, guys! If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. అబ్బా ఏం చేసేటివి రూట్ ఒకటి చూసుకుంటావు అంటే దాని రూట్ చూస్తావు ఇది దాని రూట్ చూసుకుంటుంది అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉంది ఇది కరెక్టే ఉంది let's take this, let's copy this and we'll try to decode that, then we'll get the idea of where we are going wrong. ఎవరు రాయడు మంచిగా రాయకుండా ఇట్లా రాసిండు అలలే అలలే సాగుతూ వలలే నువ్వు చూ okay, first previous is null and first is also null and second is also null. Okay, we'll try to do with this problem 3 1 and 4, and here we are going to get 2, right? Okay, first I will make this little up. Okay, now we'll try to do it. We'll try to decode and I will get something interesting. We'll see. I will send root and I will go root left, and again if we get null I will get null here, so I am going to return to the root one. Then if previous is null, yes, previous is null, it's not equal null, we have to do. Then we are going to make this previous as 1. Okay, then we move upward. uh, since root right will go, root right is also null, we are going to back and we'll go here. uh, okay, here it will be not null. Okay, here not null, and root dot val is less than previous dot val. Okay, we'll go right, and when root null we'll go here, and we are going to return from here, and we'll go here at this position. Previous will be 1, previous will be 1, and previous is not equal to null, and root dot val is less than previous dot val. Yes, root dot val is less than previous dot val. We are going to save that first in previous, means we are going to save 1 here, and we are going to save here root is 3. Okay, again we are going to make this previous as 3, and we are going right, and we are going right here, and we'll go left here, and it is null, so we are going to return null, and it is null, we are going to return null. At this particular point the previous will be 3, and previous will be 3. If previous is not equal to null, yes, root dot val is 2 is less than previous dot val, yes. So if first equal to null, no, then we are going to change second to 2. We are going to if only first equal to null we are going to make first, then it will be wrong because 1 will always not the answer, right? I think I am going wrong in somewhere. After DSA, what's your plan? At particular moment I don't have any plan, but I want to keep my brain, what we say, I want to do exercise for my brain. One of the best is doing lead code. I want to make think logically, so I am doing at least one problem a day. Not every day, sometimes it can, there is days where I'm not going to do any single problem, when, but I'll try mostly to do to solve any single question. Why I am not getting this? I think I will copy the code and try to use the online, not Java compiler. The one I forgot, tutor, Java tutor, tutor, uh, Visual Debugger, AI tutor. Not Python. I need Java. Yes. For this, I need total code copy, but I have to write the code. I think so. Babre, how are you? I'll remove all this. But thing is here, I have to write everything, right? Mm, I'll ask GPT so that it will help me to write the total code for it. Then we can run why it is getting the correct output. We'll use GPT for this. Uh, because writing total code will make a lot of mess. Okay, this the abo is the QES question and try to write the total code with taking the example as we'll give this test case. I need this. ఏమైంది దీనికి నేను కోడ్ రాయరా అంటే అమ్మ నాకు ఇట్లా కావాలి కోడ్ మొత్తం. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వై ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ ది GPT to generate all this code because సగమే ఇచ్చింది. Write the total code to run it in IDE. Okay, copy. Now I'll paste here. Let's visualize. Please wait it up to 10 seconds. ఏమో తర్వాత చూద్దాంలే. ఇప్పుడు అదేందో వస్తలేదు. ట్రై చేద్దాం మళ్ళీ ఇది ఒకటి ఇలా పెట్టుకొని ఈ నోట్స్లో రాద్దాం. I have done it using the array list. Do it without using any extra space. Okay, then next time, currently which sem are you in? I am completed my BTech. I mean I am graduated, currently working in Accenture. That is the reason I am doing only single problem. Otherwise I would have do more, and I will give more priority to DSA and learning all the things related to placement interviews. Come on guys, if you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. Tomorrow we'll try to solve tomorrow. I am left with this deleted node. I don't know how to solve it. I mean, yeah, I don't know. That is the reason, and it is making, I mean, it is asking for premium. We have to solve this merge to BST and the largest BST in a tree. We'll try to find what is meant by this largest BST. Largest BST. And we'll try to solve tomorrow. Largest BST is 3. You are given binary tree. You are asked to find the size of the largest subtree with this subtree with the binary tree that also satisfies property of binary search tree. Subtree is defined number of nodes it contains. A subtree of a binary tree considered a BST if every node in a subtree left. Okay. The following is a BST of size 3. size 3, explanation 1 2 3. Okay, here 5 is not a perfect BST, right? So that is the reason we are not going to conclude this. Okay, here we can conclude this 2 3 4. It is also 3 here. So okay, we have to find in that way. Okay, we'll try to do it tomorrow. I think if we get upper problem, I mean in order, I mean this question completely, if we understand, we can able to get this. Okay, we'll try tomorrow. Come on guys, you can ask anything. Okay, done for today. You can ask anything and I will close the stream. Hello, can you hear me now? I think you can able to hear me now. I have placed in Accenture, and if you are consistent, you will definitely get placed. Otherwise, you won't get. And try to do uh, lead code contest and code chef contest. Pakka, you have to do every time, every week. It will definitely helpful you. If you won't, if you unable to solve the questions, try to find the answer. I mean, try to get the solution and understand the behind approach what they used. It will helpful to you. uh, don't forget to do lead code and code chef contest bi-weekly, weekly, and every week code chef contest. It will definitely helpful to you. And remaining time, try to solve questions from lead code, like take any driver sheet and try to solve it. It will definitely helpful to you. But if you didn't get any placement from on campus, don't uh, don't think you will get it in off campus. It is impossible until or unless you have a luck. You should have very great luck. Come on guys, if you are new to our channel, please DSA plus OS plus DBMS plus CN plus aptitude enough. Enough means I can say it will, but without any projects, it won't be enough. I mean, you have to do any project in uh, any of the domain like web development or any other domain, they will definitely ask in that. So it should be you also you have to learn few development project as well. Viral cuts, hi bro, welcome to the stream. You have you have to be good at development as well. I will recommend you to try to do any single project in web development. Don't leave it. I mean, in do any men stack or any other stack which you prefer, because they will definitely ask from that. It will helpful to you if you do it and if you get in strong in that. They will ask SQL, DBMS, OS and CN very less, like basic questions they can ask. Aptitude might be won't ask everywhere. DSA will definitely ask. DSA will be asked, and based on your project and your skills mentioned in the resume, though that questions will be asked. Come on, guys! If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. I gave my LinkedIn in the Instagram ID in the description. If you're if you are interested, please connect me through there. I can reply you anytime when I saw your message. Okay, thanks a lot. Welcome, bro. And don't forget to join daily at 9:30 p.m. Okay, I think Phantom Bro has your SEM exams has completed. I mean, at present, few college are going in semester and exams. As are they completed or still it going on? Come on, guys, if you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe. And six people are watching. Just check whether you like the stream and subscribe to our channel or not. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe it. And if you not liked, can you suggest me the reason? I mean, I will try to develop it and will try to get the better quality and quantity. Okay, then I am going to end the stream. We'll see you tomorrow at 7:30, 9:30 p.m. Bye bye. ఎంతమంది సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ వచ్చి ఉంటారు అనుకుంటున్నావు? అట్లీస్ట్ 2 or 3. ఎంతమంది వచ్చి ఉంటారు అనుకుంటున్నావు భయ్యా?